Hi guys, welcome back. It's here. Woo! My November 2022 Simon kit has finally arrived. These things happen. So we are almost at Christmas and the November kit's arrived. Anyway, I'm still going to share lots of ideas and tips and whatever else is going on in here. I just can't remember what's in it. So let's open it and see what we got. And I'm not sure whether I'm going to tag a video on the end of this, so stay to the end to see whether that's what I do or just stay to the end anyway. So here is said kit. Comes with one of these mesh bags again, which I love. This is a really pretty colour blue, and these are great. I always say that these are great for different things. You can use them for a multitude of different things, and I've got quite a few of them now, so I might actually do some rejigging and store my card and paper in it or something like that. But they're really, really handy. So you get one of those, and then grab all of it out. Oh yeah! Yeah, I forgot all this. Right. So it is like Christmas. So candy as always. Woohoo! So we have, let me just get some of this other info stuff out the way. Info. You always get one of these little discount card doobly wotsits. And I'm just going to take this out so that I can have an idea of what's in the kit and hopefully share with you what those things are. Right, so we get a pair of fine detail scissors. So this will be very cool. They look like they've got that sort of Teflon thing, a bit like Tim Holtz, where they're like that non-stick. I don't know why I said Teflon. It's a long day. Yeah, non-stick stainless steel. 5-inch scissors, so that's really handy, especially the fine detail. I don't have any scissors that have got that sort of detail on them, so that's going to be really nice to use. And then there is some low tack tape, which is designed, this is 5/8 of an inch, so I presume this is designed to designed to use if you need to die cut something out, you can hold the paper in place, or your hot foil pieces if you want to then die cut them out afterwards, and it won't tear the paper, because some low tack tapes that I have some that are low tack and they still tear the paper because when you run things through your machine, sometimes the pressure actually almost like bonds that piece of tape to your paper, and then you'll end up either with this stickiness on your paper or it tears it, which nobody wants, because what's the point then? So it'll be interesting to see whether this happens with that tape, so I'll let you know how that goes. Then we have an envelope, 2 envelopes. There's a slimline and an A2 one. This is, not sure what colour this is. I want to say it's called Orange Peel, slimline envelope, and I think it is just an A2 envelope. But they're always handy. I haven't actually used any of them from the kit yet. So then we have, oh, this is pretty. This is going to be a bit blingy, apologies. But what we have, let's see, let's do the cardstock. So we have some cool coloured cardstock here, very autumnal. I know we're officially in winter now, but obviously this came a little later, but that's fine, it's fine. They're beautiful colours, and you can use them for, they're very bright cardstocks, and you can use these all year. You can use these for like fun birthday cards as well if you wanted to, but they're nice autumnal colours. And we've got orange peel, we have, let me see, green apple, bright yellow, and I can find it, if I can read. Oh, red lipstick red. Now on camera it literally doesn't look as bright as what it is in real life. They are very bright, but it's very nice, and they're 8.5 by 11 cardstock, which I love. So then we have Simon's adhesive transfers. So there are, I believe, these are the Grateful Fall leaves, and there's 2 sheets of them, and these are basically an idea of the, like, what those things are, like the shapes of them, and they're kind of like, I've never used them before, but I think they're sort of like it's almost like got an adhesive on it, in that shape. And then what you do is you use your transfer foil sheets. I'm trying not to blind you with it. We've got the yellow and an orange, but it's basically like a goldy, coppery colours. So very autumnal again. And what you do is you place this over the leaf. And a lot of people say to run it through either your die cut machine or a laminator, or but you don't need the heat for it to transfer. You just need that pressure just to make sure it's burnished on there nicely. And I think when you run it through that, as opposed to rubbing it with a bone folder, it will just leave a smoother image. But I've never done anything like this, so we'll see. We'll see what happens and how I get on with it. I used my hot foil machine, although, you know, the other one's died now, basically. But you get, let's see, 6 by 6, there's 8 pieces of foiling in both of these. Now, because these are transfer sheets with like a stickiness on them, adhesive transfer, that means that you're not limited to this. Once you've used all these, because you will, then you can use this, which is much more sheets of. You can use that with anything, even if you add a strip of sticky tape, not sticky tape, double-sided tape to, you know, to create a pattern on a piece of cardstock, and then rub the foil over the top. It will cling to it and stick to it, and you'll have this cool pattern. How cool is that? Especially if you don't have a hot foil machine and you're not into that kind of thing. This is a nice idea. And then we have, oh, you know me, I love a stencil that coordinates with a stamp set or a die set or whatever it is, and they all like piece together, and you can make easy colouring, right? I love colouring, you guys know that, but this stencil, like in the previous set kit, this stencil set, if I can talk, will actually colour in the images that are on the kit, the stamp set that you get. So the stamp set is called Full of Thanks, and I believe you can colour this one, and I want to say this one, using the stencils. So if I just grab them out of here, noisy. There are 3, and they look kind of mad this time, but I think this is clever. There's 3 of them, so it'll fit with 3 of the stamps in there. And if I just take, trying to find the one that'll, you'll probably see the best. Let's try this one. You have 3 sections. There's like almost like a line etched. I'm trying not to blind you as well, my lights. There's a line that's etched into this, so it's almost like 3 sections. And that then tells you, that gives you each layer. So let me just find which one, oh, it's this one. So it's this image here that we're able to do. So you would line up, say, these leaves, and I hope this is kind of making sense at the moment. And you've got all these little spots to colour in the leaves. And then you'll move up to the next section to colour in the next part of the image, and then the last bit, if I can find it, we'll colour in that last few bits to get this whole image coloured in. So easy and so clever. So there's 3 stencils in there, and it will do, like I say, this one, this main image here, and this framed one here. How cool is that? Anyway, the stamp set itself is beautiful as well. Some very nice fonts, and also some really nice sayings. I think this is something that I focus on a lot, because, and this, I just think saying thank you, even if it's not, you know, it doesn't matter what time of year it is, it's a nice thing to say thanks and be thankful for the things we have, instead of focusing on the things we don't have, even if we want those things. So anyway, I hope this was a fun unboxing. And don't forget, I will, if you stay to the end, thank you. I'm still not sure whether I'm going to tag a video on the end of this, so, you know, still keeping you in anticipation. But hopefully I'll have one at the end, even if it's a really quick tutorial on how to use the stencils or something like that. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but if not, there will be videos to follow to show you how to use all these different elements in here. Yes, so watch this space. I'll be back with more videos on this kit and December's and so on when it comes in. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. Merry, happy holiday, everything. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.